You see me? All she's a go like she in a breed and have picnic too. She a go like she not have a daughter for Mark Shoes, but true, she can book a ticket and go a foreign, go have picnic. It come like nothing to she because do you see, you know, who is not a problem to them, Mama Sam? The one them who not use the Jamaican hospital. But you see, like all me and other comrades who have to use the hospital. And we it affect, you know.
Yeah. Our family.
And we affect it now, affect them and our family, them and friend them, even with enemy them too.
Yeah.
And we affect them because we can't afford to have our picnic in America in our hospital or England in our hospital. We have to have our picnic them out here. Because here we live and most so we not have visa.
Yeah.
We might have people foreign, but we not have visa for book a ticket and go have baby.
Oh.
You see me? So them not feel it, so them can't talk anything when them attack. And me will feel it. And other mothers, because me have a cousin will lose her baby. Don't a Jubilee the baby born. Alright, and I come on so good. And when them discharge my cousin, and my cousin go back, and I go up and the baby never come off a Jubilee, after the water Jubilee, upon the little nursery Jubilee, because the baby did born premature. You see me? And the baby has developed so good. And my cousin all named the baby. And one day she go down there, she just see the baby lie down, and the turn blue, and then tell her so the baby pass off. And up until now, Mama Sam, that still affect my cousin. Because I say one day, I never talk to her. I say things to the girl that talk to me, you know. And I say to her, I say, John, you have a little memorial service for the baby. Because you know, she develop and comes, you know. You see when I look at Mama Sam, she a ball, you know. And up until now, from that, sometime in the last year, my cousin was her baby. And up until now, my cousin conceived again, and it was her first child.
Wow.
And you know, long she had tried to have a baby, Mama Sam. And the one we bless her with, it dead down, it unalive down at Jubilee Hospital. How long my cousin had tried. They said, who feels it knows it.
Come on.
Here we go.
Exactly. But you can try again, you know, Tika, I can try again.
But you know, go easy for you, man, and try again when Tane know say, you know, when they go down with the same thing I got me, you know, bro. Wicked, you know, man. A mental thing, them all deal with people, them physically and both mentally. Them
I make it have so many mothers getting down into depressed. So mother getting down into depressed and end up at Bellevue because of these things we are talking about. Eh? Look at that. I'm more than 24 baby there, you know. More than 24 baby. And Tika, the 13 mother than the Tika we are talking about, the 13 mother too, what them I hide it. The Tika?
Oh, I'm gonna tell you.
Tika gone.
No.
No.
Oh. Man. Yeah,
man. The 13 mother too we are talking about with them unalive to either tough time funeral home. That we are talking about to the 13 mother them, including
them. We not hear about that.
Them not talk about it. Them not gonna talk about it, Mama.
Oh.
Because them under pressure and them not gonna bring out that.
Yeah.
You need to come and Andre's team on platform and say mother in the dead too. The doctor woman. So she knows so why she not come talk about the mother them to a die too. And because like say a fast news we are bringing. Yeah. Exactly. Why become a Jamaica? Me no know, you know. And these people are very hypocrite. Them now come talk, them too silent and everything. Mothers, where are you to come over here? Me come out of the box and make all their mother them come in the box and talk. The whole we clear the box and make all their mother them contact. You agree with me and comrade? You agree with me?
Yes. Them not brave enough to come. Them not brave enough.
Once they come, man.
Once them
Once they come, the box can clear and make them come in and talk.
Yeah, but remember, say them not brave like me and you, no Durval. Them not do that, them scared.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I'm telling you that come watch out, but they're scared, you understand?
Yeah.
I remember say, oh, Jamaica run, you come, you say something, and then you know what you know.
So, I mean, for the media, Jamaica.
Listen to me, that I listen to you.
Durval. I'm afraid you're not afraid. I just make up your mind, because you know anything can happen, you know.
Yeah, anything, you know. Make up your mind, you know.
Listen, I one life where I will come here to live. It's either either, you know. But we have to stand for someone more than fall for nothing. And we have to stand for the people of Jamaica, because there are many people in Jamaica who would have want to come out, come talk out like we. And the community where them living at, and the atmosphere them around, I'm gonna blast them and probably program them, especially like wicked Prime Minister where they don't.
Wicked man, wicked Prime Minister.
So we have to go and talk for them and tell and just say, we still we are here to baby them and cry, and if you not hear them time hear Clinton Ferguson up with them, baby them and cry. But why you can't hear your word them and cry now? Eh? But you can't stand up with them and cry.
Hi, Joy.
Oh. Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, giving God thanks. Welcome to Mawsam Baga Baga Live, 97 FM. Yes. Now make a talk. May I give the floor for you to talk, Joy, Miss Joy.
Now, what was your conversation about? Because I was just passing through.
Oh, we are
talking about babies and stuff.
We are talking about the dead baby them back in Jamaica. There are 24 babies who are unalive in Victoria Jubilee Hospital in just 1 month. In June month here, 24 babies unalive. And back in 2016, when the Prime Minister, who is Prime Minister now, when he was opposition leader, there were the Dr. Fenton Ferguson for the People's National Party. He was a doctor for health. He was a minister of health, and the hospital, something gather up and bacteria or something unalive. 18 babies. Because of him want power and him want to go in a power. Him come out and come out on stage and say, hear the baby them a cry. Him hear the 18 babies them a cry. Say, if they didn't have power, that is the Jamaican Labour Party, the baby them uno unalive. So right now, the people them take what him say, vote out the People's National Party and vote them in to make we have a better health system. And now 24 baby unalive in a one hospital. Remember how much? A 3 hospital, you know. There were 18 baby unalive, you know. And now one hospital, like a Victoria Jubilee Hospital, and a 24 baby who them announced now who unalive in Victoria Jubilee Hospital. And Portia seems to have to fire Fenton Ferguson. Right now, we want him to fire Christopher Tufton because 24 baby unalive and a female government and female health minister still sung in a parliament and still be the health minister. So our justice is what we want. We want to bring some out the vice out them and the people them here look on the injustice. When them did in the opposition, them lick out against the 18 baby who were unalive and now 24 baby unalive in 2025 under the Jamaica Labour Party, and we not see no justice to come out of it. So we are campaigning about that.
Oh, yeah, of course. For real, that's really, really bad. Yeah, the health system in Jamaica is very, very, very bad.
Very bad.
You know, very bad.
If you have a loved one, you hear them tell you, say, Auntie John, you're going to the hospital, you know, just prepare for put on some money. The next 2 weeks, you hear them say, the person, not more along.
Yeah.
You understand? If you hear your family call and say, Mama feels sick, Auntie feels sick, she going to the hospital, just prepare on yourself.
Yeah.
From help, finalize the burial. Because they're not coming out back alive. God bless if you will come back out alive. If them come back out, they might go back alive because the medication where they might give them in the hospital.
It's probably outdated.
Medication.
Exactly, it's probably outdated.
Yes, outdated. Yes, only they come out and talk about it. Outdated. So, anyway, if they're not unalive in the hospital, by the time they reach home, them unalive. And at that we are talking about the party and if but and we never see them back in life. Them never for return back in government. The Labour Party not supposed to return back in government. No time, no time. When the People's National Party did found, one party did there, and through the cousin grudge, a family grudge cause that, you know. See them sit up and cause the Jamaica Labour Party and people. And one party did there. That's why them can't overthrow. We don't care where yesterday them are going. So them can't win. Them can't win an election willingly. Them have to win it by vote. 9 years it has gone now. 9 years it has gone now. And my brother and sister them are suffer. Hungry, homeless, homeless people out there in the street, but now the government can find $1 billion election soon call, $1 billion to give people $20,000 each, 50,000 people for $20,000 for a small business. Hey, Andrew, only said if you come down here and go look for your mama, they say your mama she curse. Andrew, honest, your mama, your two papa them curse. Andrew, honest, Bramwell, your mama and your papa curse, have a parasite like you to make Jamaican people.
I want
in a peace. We live with a misery, Andrew. Andrew,
you want
a big foot man. You don't need to come down. You don't need to come down. You can't put your woman in the parliament but speak her house. And she can't even speak
our man. She's a man. She's a transgender. She's a transgender. Is a man.
Is it? Oh.
Yo, Miss Yon, you want to say something?
Auntie Ivan, good afternoon, Auntie Ivan. This is my comrade sister, Auntie Ivan.
Yeah, Auntie Ivan.
Hold on, they then grant me and give me trouble.
All right, baby.
Let me come out nice. Let me come out nice. No, because good afternoon, comrades. Why me I tell you to say, me love you no continue to do a good fight because me I tell you say we need this fight because me I tell you man we need to stand up because the country in one crisis and nobody realize. And me I tell you say really bad at Jamaica. Really, really bad. When me I tell you say really
bad. We need the people them to come out and see like Andrew here to be able to cry market.
Yeah.
You be able to cry too. We need to come out and go back at the ministry. When we did that Jamaica about 2023, in 2023, between 23 and 22, when we go to Africa and go demonstrate with something like that to the baby them and tough time. And them never make the man left because you hear what I'm saying? And the woman them wear drink and smoke. And the baby premature baby. Me I want the premature baby still can't be alive same way.
Of course. Premature baby survive.
That mean a backward we are going in Mama son.
Yes.
Yo.
So listen me, Mama son. So something going in the hospital. And me keep on tell them say there is some infection in this hospital because everybody when me know go in the hospital go do like a minor surgery, admit, then come back out with infection. And me keep on tell them say something going in this hospital.
But Auntie Comrade, two premature people come by here earlier and talk. Two premature baby come by here. I like them and man, two premature come by here and talk. And talk them experience.
Yes, me I tell you.
Oh my gosh.
The hospital.
Regular something that man.
And them survive.
Yeah, of course. A lot of him premature him baby survive. A lot. For 6 months. Some of them are born when they are 6 months.
My last
and they survive.
Or even younger, even younger than 6 months.
Yes.
Yeah.
But so we have a crappy in healthcare, me I tell you say healthcare in a crisis.
It's very bad. And I think that people, was it the Labour Party and the other party, all the ones that agree that the health system bad, whether you're in either party, these lot need to come and make a stand, the proper, instead of fighting over you're in Labour and the other one. What's the other party? PNP.
Yeah.
Yeah, the PNP, the People's National Party, and the Labour Party, all the ones that are in agreement with the health system that is wrong with what they're doing now.
Party, that is a party who are in power right now.
Yeah, but you still have.
And them demonstrate way. I say the baby them are cry. The Prime Minister said here the baby them are cry. So me I want to people hear them 24 baby are cry. No can hear.
No, but those people there in the government, I mean the people that are out who are not in the Houses of Parliament, the people that agree with you guys who are in the People's National Party, they need to come together with you guys to make a stand.
Yes, that's what I do. That is it you want. And that's why we want them come together, Jive, we make a stand and go there and make them know say, that man when the minister system needs to go.
Yeah.
He needs to get fire. Like now, 24-hour we are game. By Monday, man, we're supposed to hear them resign. You understand?
Yeah. Or or another way, you need to get sort of people like with like I don't know if they do it over like lots of signatures. Go get someone.
Petition.
Huh? Yeah, yeah. That's what you need to do, and then send it to them. You probably have to go kind of down that route as well. Because they always try to use the law and the procedures that they have. If we can gather up lots of signatures and stuff like that, that can help as well.
Yeah, man. File, and yeah. So we don't want them in a place, man. We just get be a signature and just sign up.
Yeah,
once you reach a certain amount of signatures.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, they have to pay. They have to pay us attention.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly, because it's just really bad.
It's bad. It's
really,
not just
really
it's not just PNP or Labour, right? We are Jamaicans and we deserve better.
Yeah, exactly.
We deserve better, man.
Yeah, because you're Jamaican people and it's your people, whether you're in the People's National Party or the Labour Right Party, they're making people die. Unaliving people.
For real.
Sorry for using that word, but yeah. But it's because it really puts people in such a difficult situation, and then there's people they don't have money to help their loved ones inside again because their job situation.
I was explaining something to you, and them always say them have a saying say cat mouth kill cock. I'm gonna play that something and you're listening and listen where the man the Prime Minister now. When he made that speech, it wasn't the Prime Minister of Jamaica. He was an opposition leader. And never make you listen to the vice, a female vice, and me I come say and a propaganda me I spread, Me I tell you when him that look power and the people of Jamaica.
But that's what they do. That's what most of these people to get in power. That's what they do, and it is like it's a promise.
Hear it.
Not hear about your head. I hear the spirit of a little baby crying, saying, why did the people keep the Labour Party government in? If the Labour Party government was in, I would still be alive. I hear the spirit of the baby.
Yeah.
18 babies have died.
Yeah.
You don't need to pass the law. You don't need to lock up anybody to demonstrate her real care and concern for the children of the nation. All she needs is the minister of health.
You hear what I'm saying?
Yeah.
First who responds to the health system, I need to fire nobody, not lock up nobody. She don't need to lock up nobody. All she needs to do a fire.
Yeah.
The Minister of Health. And the Minister of Health is now Christopher Tufton is wishing we is in the Jamaica Labour Party and them in a power. So why he not get fire from this message come out at 24 baby and alive in the hospital? Wishing
exactly.
And one hospital alone baby and alive,
No.
Spanish Town Hospital where baby and alive. You have Carnal Regional Hospital, but them just tell about the one where because the main one where everybody say, where you born?
Yeah.
Everybody are boss to say, oh, a Jamaica born under the clock, Victoria Jubilee Hospital, and that's what we are talking about. The rest of country, the rest of parish them, where baby are unalive, because if we count too much baby unalive, we don't make about the amount of people where them say the rate of the people, people are dropped. So we need for the people need to get pregnant now. Them say the man them sperm count low. So that's why the woman them now breed up like one time. And now a man get him time to feed him body, build back him body and breed him woman. And make she have the belly care for 9 months. And after the 9 months, there is no baby, the baby born. And them say, they might keep the baby in the hospital. And by 10 days time, 5 days time, you go back there, your baby analyzed. One in the hospital system and tough time still let it work. Yeah, go so.
Yeah.
In 1.5 year,
Yes.
219 baby. 1.5 year. 219 baby. Alongside we are here about 13.
Yes, that's what you're. That's
You never see the baby, you never see the one of the dog. In 2018, I feed them government the dog. With the dog. You would have done this, then the baby them go the dog, draw the baby them out of rubbish of Jubilee.
Yes.
You need to think of 5 years. 229 baby. Me did think of 5 years.
In a, as we say, in a 1.5 years. Check it. It depends on the news. It depends on the news all over.
Have it up, Auntie. Auntie,
I probably
put up it between 2024 and 2025. A 200 and baby died. So now,
but listen, they say mothers are died too, you know, with Kelly. There's a couple people calling for Andre Stevenson and tell and give a story. We know 13 mother, 13 mother, 13 of them.
Auntie Ivan, you remember the lady we work with Andre Stevenson?
Yes.
That daughter go have a baby January.
Yeah.
And after she have the baby, she in her own hospital. And them girls she have fibers and she pregnant. So them say them are going to do the surgery. When they take the baby out her and the fibers still there. She got to work and the cut bust out back on her. She have to run go back. When them go back, so them fix the problem. You know what, Mo?
Infection.
It start leak.
Infection.
When she hear infection, the girl have an infection in sepsis.
Imagine say from January to June, you know, he have the infection, you know, till it turned that day, you know, me I tell you, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, what is something she go through? Oh my God.
When Andre come out and say them say she want 7 count of blood, the amount of blood the issue for that girl again. If I the blood for 7, she know analyze. And then know so the girl uno make it and still take the blood. You understand? All wicked that are drunk with them.
Yeah, man. Something I go on in the hospital, I tell you, hospital want clean up, you want sanitize.
Well, that's it. Yeah, it needs. That's a problem.
Me go me up in the hospital when me look at around in nursing station.
I've seen some. It's really dirty.
Yeah, you see nursing station.
I think you probably they're not even cleaning it with any solution and just go around mop.
Yeah. And when we look at in nursing station, I tear down. Me have to want a bathroom, them. Gosh. What day I want me come in the hospital, me call her. She said she go when they admit her. And she said she admit already, you know. And when she admit, she said she go to L, she go do a minor surgery, she go to L because they give her one bed, where bed name that worker one cardboard, the porter use and catch it. But the cardboard keep on a broke, so every minute she have a ton. So she end up come out of the hospital with how much pain. She said she go in one night, and when she go in one night, I take her the next day to get one bed. And she said when she finally get one bed, nurse go tell her so she have to go come off of this bed because she have to go get sick of someone and give her one bed with packed down where them fear. And she said she decided and said she can't do it because she said she couldn't go back to where she did go back to the first time. And in this side, he says, sorry, but he don't give up the bed. But then want to think up on one bed again, and she said, no, she can't do it because she don't want to go. No, something wrong with the hospital, them. You got in the hospital, it act like a fire. Hospital act like a fire. Come on, man. Go set up some Jamaica sun island. Go set up some solar so that the hospital can generate one current so that AC can run more like the hospital them. The people them with maintain the hospital have problem. So then I come to maintain it because they can't get their money through the government system.
Right, exactly.
They're not giving
them their money, the correct, you know.
Yes, so the people that we do maintain, like we maintain the equipment, they maintain the hospital, they not do it because they not give their money. Me I go give you one example. Me I tell you say these people, you see funeral like if you have somebody poor where you can't get a grant from the government, you know, like $90,000 grant. No, like poor people because we have one funeral I go on to the Portland Cottage.
Right.
And the people them forget is like the parlor forget $90,000 and the parlor man look at you and tell us, listen me, this money usually take like 1 to 4 months, but now it take 1 year and hard. So a parlor man
that's really bad.
You know want to do it. So me I tell us when them I tell you about something them and I tell you about a little grant and a little this and a little that, then it now come true. Man, I'm a sister of there and I walk and the sister get assistance from some people. I make a lady a 3 months, 2 weeks a lady did for and can't bury. 3 months and my sister take up with me and my sister come together and we fight and we go talk to the parliament. So the parliament we pay the $90,000 now. So the system tear down. We don't listen to them people on the internet. The whole system tear down. If we don't experience it's hard and it's rough there. And the hospital system is like a crash it down with. The hospital now, Mama said, so when you figure out that Jamaica, if you feel sick, me can't tell you because I'm in a system. You see, if you feel sick, and like all right, for example, my husband feels sick one night and I say, come go hospital. You understand the feelings of when I become like some slights, like it can be strokes, pain or something when I feel. I say, come go hospital. And he decides say, no, go. He decides say, no, go. He say, even me now go because he will go down, they go cut earner, and he have a whole lot of bad experience. And he decides say, no, go, Mama son. And I say, anyway, him fight out, he tell in a man and he go one private doctor. Would you believe me say one side strokes him man get? So he could have dead for me because he's scared to go to hospital.
Yeah.
He's scared to go, so he could have dead for me and daughter send females and it's like in go morning, evening, in daughter send female in come America, you can get health care and she say slight strokes.
Oh, you see?
Slight strokes, the man get two slight strokes. 2 slight strokes.
Yeah.
So I mean, I tell you, say you feel sick, you know, but you want to go to hospital, but you have that fear in you.
It's fear, it's fear.
You know, because you may end up come back with some infection, and you go down there and you don't have no bed. My poor mother-in-law, 89-year-old, go down there 1 year, and I 2 days in the recline chair and drop off a recline chair because she big in her body, you know. You know the recline chair. One of them they have her pan for 2 days, and she end up drop off of it.
This is so bad.
If me did ever, I chew me never the home.
Yeah.
I chew me the Florida. So me I say, listen, it rough down there, pan we, and these people now understand and know where we are go through, and then get up on internet and I thought this glory. What comrade show me if food when get what the lady show me one food when get. Me say, oh my God, what this are them I give some people to eat to in a 68.
Yeah.
What this them I give for eating, and then you say them I collect how much money for cater for hospital. And when I take a stack of feed them packet it in either them friend or them friend.
Boy. And the dirty nasty thinking boy, the way and Valls. And the way and Smith.
If you ever see
$2 billion for find food, proper food, get people in the hospital. And I give people
Mama said if you ever see food, people them get
crackers and cheese, it's a ugly blood clot dog feed. Why? But you get money for feed the hospital people and I get them get them food like a prison. Not even prison, yeah, but them I get the people in the hospital.
She show me where they get
crackers and cheese in them.
She show me where they get one, you know, like you put the bread together, you cut it in a two. It look like something. It look like some sandwich, like tuna and 1 cup of tea. I want to drop. I said they couldn't drop like a piece of fruit in there, something. I don't have your feed. You're rough man with them there. You're rough. I'm in a business and people are saying we are carried on the country, but people are saying we are carried on the country, but no, we have to talk because if we not talk, then I'm going to do better.
People say so.
They say we are carried. Me just I scroll through and I go through one labor life and them attack woman attack on yet and them name out the blogger them when yet. I mean, me have to say No man, this woman is bitter. He say he yet pash him caution. He yet caution and he yet voice and man about some when he yet and me have to say no, she take it to a different
We don't like Carl neither. We don't like Carl.
She take it to a different level. No, if people
love Jamaica.
Look at me start.
Carry down the country. And every day they come and carry down the country and lift on the Prime Minister. But if we not talk, we are going to dead in it, lady. We are going to dead in it if we not talk, so we have to talk.
You see what they got clinic. What they got clinic, I'm tell the doctor say, I tell her say, no, say any day give me a referral to go down in public, me never either go. She look for me. I tell her, me never go down there, me can't go down there.
You're right.
I not go down there.
But look here, you see, the Jamaican them will come out with the support of the Prime Minister and tough and criminal activity going with from the Jamaican citizen.
Mommy, big back look at me there, big back Sam can talk.
Me not look on them because here what
Get some seconds.
If the country don't in a good condition, or we are going to praise the country. We can't do that.
I'm be like a hypocrite.
We can't do that. The country is down in a precipice. You understand me? The health system is under disaster. The education system, same way too. You understand me? When I tell Andre Stevens, sure, and it's a doctor company, him fed up. The man said him fed up because when see me go to the hospital and protect people's life.
Yeah.
And oxygen not there, and I'm put something over the people them know. See if you like oxygen and the oxygen is not there. You said the health minister not coming out and face way and tell with the truth. Him say a lot of baby and alive up at children hospital, how much baby in the mark down there in the these people coming out, the health system up boom and running everywhere. Another man come and same care and baby mother she have 3 female already and the one they are gonna make 4. And when him reach at the hospital door right at Jubilee they saw a headwater bus. And all him a call for porter, there is no porter. You understand me? Anyway, him ending up get a wheelchair and carry her up on the water and thing. And him left him baby mother they saw in the night and she can't call him back and she still remain in at the wheelchair same way. And when she do have baby, she develop a hemorrhage. But that's what them tell him say, but him say them go to a C-section pan and go cut her without film consent, no said nothing to him. And what happened to her? She unalive. And him have the baby, I look after the baby.
Who Little Miss? I told me
Little Miss, remember him man say, then tell him say a C-section she get, but yet still it paper say she deliver a baby by her vagina.
You understand me?
Because she's saying understand why are 2 different. That say one thing and the paper say other.
Yeah, you understand.
So say something go on. So me I tell you, the system corrupt. The system corrupt. Me not go blame me doctor them. Them want blame me doctor them, and the nurse them, but me not go do it because you cannot work then lack of resources. Me know my niece usually work in a system, and when she tell you something, you want to cry.
Them lack of the
she the America here now. She left long time. She left on the America now.
Yeah, but you want me again too. Me I blame some of the doctor them too. Because you want them have trainees them operate for the patient them. Where is a certified doctor for them and trainees stand up and watch where I do.
But Little Miss, remember they short staff. So it's a classic problem.
Well, I sacrifice them, I sacrifice the people.
Yes, it's short staff.
You understand me? Because
so
guess what?
Everything to Chinese them because they're short staff.
Because you see, all this now, that shows them is a puppet, him loving people there because the others a Caribbean country are stand up to Donald Trump and where him alone are stand up to Donald Trump by spinning away the Cuban doctor them. Where them did a fill the gap in the hospital them.
Thank
you understand me? And you remove remove them and you not done a replacement for them.
Thank you.
You understand me? You remove them, for please another country. You know, love your people them.
India. Which man why they go? Tough time they go for doctor. India.
In the same India, where the Indian doctor them there.
I know we not hear nothing, you know, say nothing, you know, tell we nothing.
And no, come on. Remember them are servant them there, you know. But oh, them a behave like how them a work for themselves.
Yeah, or like how we work with them.
Like how we work with them.
And I work with them, and them a pay with and them I spend with tax money.
Sure, say Andrew, him a done. Me send something to Mama San or one Kevin a thing there. Where ma say, him hear the baby them a cry, and the baby them a say, if him in, and if the Labour Party did in, me don't understand.
I mean, I find that funny either because he did a mocky baby them at that time.
You understand me? He must say in. So when the baby them are analyze you didn't have power, you talk yourself from what you talk about say this government you don't care about the people them. Then you talk. Can you go say this government? Then you are the previous government in a power?
No. You know when I talk, him look at me, so from Porsche in a power I talk, I don't know.
Yeah,
that
but
video from we making off from Porsche in a power.
But hear what I'm saying, huh?
Listen to the word, them. If you listen to the word,
place the word them.
Oh,
You
have to go listen good.
That what him said this government, they not him, they not film government him attack now. A film government him attack, you know. And what them go say?
Oh, me get what you say.
Them say if him did a power, him in a power, and then him reverse it back. And if
the baby I say one paper and one paper and two paper.
you understand me? 24 baby, the month not even done yet.
Not 24 days.
Analyze. What about from January, February, March, April, May? Come down. How much baby gone already?
A 24 in a 24 days, you know. You know.
This government.
Yeah.
Hear him.
Yeah, right, hear him.
About your head. I hear the spirit of a little baby crying. Crying, saying, why did the people keep the Labour Party government in? If the Labour Party government was in, I would still be alive. I hear the spirit of the baby of a child because
So you hear him, the baby them are crying and say, why did you keep the Labour in? Then the baby are crying and say, if them did in.
demonstrate her real care and concern for the children of the nation. All she needs to do is to fire the
You hear what I'm saying? All she needs to do is fire the Minister of Health.
So you know fire for minister now?
Then that on the fire tough time.
So when I hear the big stinking dirty blood clot Labour right, them a chat about we are bring our country. Go suck on the mother when Anthony did that him never bring on the country. Eh? And three hospital. The incident that three hospital. And now one hospital, 24 baby and alive, and now come and chat up on stinking blood clot, but you don't drunk shit in a plate. Nasty stinking and 2 plus Labour right over upon the next bad farm, then we are call people them on like.
Thank you.
I don't like Cocauna, and you want the same blood clotting. I want to go near one shit, drunk crow.
Oh, shit in a bag.
Everything on the one defend this is a Batman for. Every minute you know what this, you know every talk people talk when have something to say against it. When they don't consider say it's a human being, a people picnic. People struggle. 9 months you don't know when they just get pregnant or you have the feelings where you have. Have to know say. If the time come for you to conceive your pig now when you know. Let me tell you so the baby need to go in an incubator when they think that's up. When you go back there you hear say your baby. Analyze. I'm going to come and go and try to justify them like a button by the way in the parliament.
Justify
when with people life, when they ramp with people else, when they ramp with them king with poor people, because suck on the mother. Big stinking girl boy and one another upon the Labour platform where I chat up on blood. When a drunk crowd, they come like dark shit. Yeah?
just like that.
When they come blood clot chat now against this. Can't do one is. You don't listen to blood clots, a cat out kill cat, a incest out. This government not care for them, the people, them, and a true. They not care for we. Oh, now come and chat about wait. Hey, Auntie, you have a blood clot come down, you're a prison. Tell her where you put me on.
Then I hear the man ask the Jamaican people, why you keep the Labour Party in a power? Why? The man asks, why? Why you keep the Labour Party in a power? Why you keep him in a power? Because this government here don't care about the poor people there.
Big back, look at me say, big back, look at me start, big back some talk. Look at me start, slow for yourself now.
Himself, him attack himself. And every minute you not come up about people that care down country. People not care down country. I will see the man care the country not disaster. You understand me? The country not disaster.
All right.
The country not disaster.
You know what they want we do? They want we live in this deplorable condition and we don't say nothing. We don't say nothing. We don't fear. I mean, I know why you are two. I didn't know any two are we like. We are different, we said. I mean, never know, say, because there is no way in my heart we could have eat somebody so because away. You the on one side, me on what we are debate then. And if you hear all the lady attack or you hear caution, voice, and my name them out on let me know you lady take it to a different level, she bitter.
Let me know you one of them say, them with my ears, them caution, crushing and care and dead. To me shake me and me say blood clean.
Yeah.
So two woman attack the truth.
True, all right.
Two woman come out
and remember no caution not talk nothing but the truth, you know. For me God caution not talk nothing but the truth. Nothing but the truth man talk. I don't say nothing but the truth. And then want to kill him and then want to see him dead and then wish him dead.
You understand me? The Integrity Commission send a report to Parliament fees here, bro, and what Andrew do?
Lock down the Parliament before time.
Lock down Parliament before time. The what kind of Prime Minister
before time.
What the example where I said?
Kind of bully.
People are going like they don't see these things.
We don't see them things that say the man are going like a bully, the man are work food, so we want to hear what's going on. We want to hear when the report the Integrity Commission said. You understand? Because we have MP and go to the ballot when them are criminal. And the Jamaican people them have vote for criminal.
But you listen to me, that's why them stay, you know, because Andrew stays so them in a system and see everything where Andrew do. Every money where Andrew take all like business them where I do out taxpayer money. So them say if them can't do the same thing. Because if the leader do them there's something there. So that's so much of them overreach. You understand? So because them see where am I going to tell them, say, no do it, or you can't do it when him do it.
When him do it, yeah, man.
When them see him do it, where am I going to tell them?
Talk.
Eh? You can't talk with them. If you have your picnic yard, you do certain things. And your picnic seat and do it. Where you go there? You can't talk to him.
Exactly. Exactly.
You can't talk to your picnic. I'm going to say,
no, I'm going to give you back answer.
Yeah, I'm going to give you back answer.
And rank up with you.
And rank up with you. You understand?
Well, that's why we are rank up with Andrew. Andrew, you need to go your mother's school.
Look for when Cornwall Regional Hospital and lick it down, you know. You know,
me can't say something to you. Me can't say something to you.
Yeah.
Of course.
Uno no get no make bully uno continue to fight because let me tell you something. You see when una fight for your worthy cause. Una fight to take Jamaica out of gutter. I mean I beg you, I am a councillor candidate. A councillor caretaker. I'm get on the ground, I'm born and growing and eat. I come from a rocky pipe, I come from ghetto area.
I am a place there.
And when you ask you if you don't stop fight because a lot of people are suffering under these people hand.
Yeah, in my place,
mama. The whole country. So you continue to fight a good fight. Because you don't fight one good fight. Me not ask you, me I tell you, so you fight a good fight. So you continue fighting. Don't make them bully you know. Don't make them bully you know. You continue fight. God bless you know. Because you know go help you come out of the gutter where we in Jamaica right now. Me I tell you, I want to help you come out of this gutter.
Somebody say, I come over here, sir, just to come over here, sir. I come punch down where I have for my people. I'm a pitney down there, I'm a grand pitney down there. I'm a friend them, I'm a associate them, I'm the whole of the Jamaica people, our people. I come America. I'm going to come here and say, I'm going to try to get a better life than they are, sir. The only thing you have to do is work and from work to your blood clot here. They can't even go to you know, my friend where you can't go to something and chat with.
Yeah.
God leave over over here, so I ride down the road there, so. Yesterday, when you shoot an next one, a 15-year-old shoot an next one. Right down by my road down there, so. I mean, I say, look, this me they love me yard. I say, one serial killer in the community right now, I take the people. I say, look, him love me yard. I mean, I'm going to fight, yes, sir. Me have a slow yes and fight it until the day this blood clot mentality. I mean, anyway, for each of Jamaica, me have a blood clot for each of them. Come back. I don't come back. Me have to come blood clot fight the fight with them.
The man is a bully. The man cut up the young youth, them rough. The man is a bully.
Dirty blood clot labor right them bring over here. Him send them over here for war with because them don't want nobody talk.
Yes, in talking.
Some send the look and scoop us drunk with them when them hear people attack. I feel them can't silence somebody, them silence on a big woman, on an unwanted big pussy woman when they could come here, come parasite from people like Andrew blood clot. All this. I feel blood clot woman when the man says she should shut off when she have him. Because he want to make Jamaica in this misery. He couldn't get free up so much blood clot money from poor people that want to go out where this pussy will come from.
Yeah, man. Ah, the baby they were cry. Oh, we not hear them.
You know, hear them 24 baby they cry.
He is not hurt now.
Them baby they cry, but you didn't hear them when they were crying in a portion days. Because they don't like woman in a body, man.
Big old sour
the pressure portion, because stinky man.
What you do? What you do? Look food?
all wicked. Come on, young people, no rise up, no see no like, no. When he ready, he send police come kill, no. Sorry, unalive,
When
no.
you look at 15-year-old, you tell them go unalive a Portmore when night. Police.
He unalive, no, when you just ban.
Unalive the youths them. At a young tender age, you not tell the young girl them for go breed because the population drop. And when
I know them breed.
Get them youth. When you kill the father for the people, make them fatherless. And number one, woman like woman in a Batman. Cliff Hughes have the Batman place, them keeping Batman party for you know. I don't like woman. So you don't tell woman them for the breed. When una shit up the woman them whole and make them a verb and sit in them. Okay?
I kill them.
I don't know say infection give the woman they can have little boy them and fuck them off. Throw them in a fish at night. You must try some more laugh for Batman legalize in Jamaica. No, when they look on TikTok, you see Batman in Jamaica in the street are black. They're not lying again. They're in a party. I have to see them in a party and allow them. When you see Batman, one time Batman party, Batman mix with weed. And you see them in a party and broke out a flip and a go like girl in a blood club. Hey, I told you, see you, man.
And then I play two side. I play a hypocrite about Ray. You see them are wicked in a man. I say, boy, I tell them, me feel saying do people them something, you know. People them will follow them, you know, me feel them do them, you know. Because people know is so fool. Me can't believe one set of people fool so because me understand, me just not understand. Sitting after wrong with the people them. And not just simple people that follow back him so I love him. Because you can't see people are killer and love him see over there.
Active fire, yeah, hear me? Say, this COVID, yeah, this pandemic, I will go around when the people them take it. Coming like something wrong.
Something wrong,
them
man.
Get a different, like, them get different joke from the other rest of the country.
Me feel so, man.
I don't know all Mr. Jamaican people. I know Jamaican was a nanny. A Paul Boger,
Sam Shaw,
Marcus Garvey, a Sam Shaw.
You see me, I say?
You understand me? Never know. Mother come see. It run down to a hustler. Because hustle Andra hustle.
Straight.
Not for the Jamaican people. Straight. You understand me? And when if you come out and talk, people want silent you, but Andrew you can't silent nobody.
Them can't silent me.
Because you're corruption, Andrew. You not run the country good, Andrew. Andrew, there's not a day where Father God, the rising sunlight, and your name not calling a corruption.
And people, yeah, what upon him.
There's not a day, Andrew. The Integrity Commission sent out a report for table. That's where the Jamaican people can know what's going on.
And
you close down Parliament, so what? Andrew oldness, badness, government you deal with. A badness you deal with.
Yeah,
So
man.
enough to talk. You, Desmond Mackenzie, you come talk about the Jamaica Labour Party will not hand over the country to PNP party. What you mean, Desmond? How much home your mama did have, Desmond? How much breeding bag your mama did have? Me never know say your
All
mama
thief them.
will Jamaica over to a fair place. In Desmond, the only thing where you shot and you cast it beside of you, know, cause you favor walking blood dead. Young just want to remain in your casket to look perfect. A perfect dead lay down in a casket. That are you, Desmond. That are the only thing. Instead of you to walk and lay down, you to lay down. Look on Darrell Valls. Portland surrounded by water. And Darrell Valls and his wife have choke and sell the citizen them water. All of them 50 black drum there. Jamaican wanna go get the water for putting in it. Wanna get the water for putting in it. The last runoff with Damien Crawford and Anne-Marie Valls, them go down there, them get the people build things and put black drum in a people here. But no water not in there. No water not in there.
When I say Andrew open pipe and then
No
they take
water not in there.
back the pipe them.
Me say Andrew go a country, go open pipe and I the people them water. When him gone, the water gone.
Gone
And
with
then
him.
water commission start, take up the pipe them.
You walk with the water.
Andrew walk with the water. When him a go away, leave with the water.
Yes. And they can't say a lie because we see it and all over internet and people where they on the ground know say it's true.
You understand me? Andrew, you're wicked, Andrew. You know, you want to hear, look how you deal with the people them. You deal with the people them like drunk raw. You understand me? You deal with the people them like drunk raw. I want which part of Jamaica you come from, you know, because if we like a black man for run we and the black man stick we up on a rob we and a live way. Then I just ask people make the white man a chance because we own black brother do with this.
Okay.
We own black brother a rob way and a live way. He not even a prisoner way again. He must send it to a master.
Me.
Yeah, he must send it to a maker.
For your
country. You cut up the youth them rough. You go over burden lodge, go lick down the people them house.
Yeah,
You
eat up
want
the
another
old
place
man.
where Michael man they give the people them land how much years. You want land a mark one of the you go a court and put a stop on it. Out of water, you lick down the people them off of the sugar estate. When the sugar estate people give them. And when you done you need to leaching. I say a farming. I say a farming leaching I go do. And when you take a stack of house leaching, it want put up apartment, mark go for cat go a court again. And put a stopper upon it. Andrew, you way you lie, you run going to parliament. You know your wife tell you say you have to get rid of them people where they behind her. Over Clifton. She don't want to get up people behind her. You understand me? You run to the House of Parliament, go talk about Klansman and sell land to people where you know say, a lie, Andrew. Andrew, you lie, you know, Andrew. You know a lie. And if it's so, you know, keep a meeting with the people them and make them know say, all right, you go the wrong way to purchase the land. The lady where living in my area as a teacher, she go the wrong way. But here what me go set up a plan of housing trust, you know. And me could pay for the land. No, you don't do that. You send police and soldier over there with bulldozer and bulldozer down the people that place drunk crow. And then when you done, you go over there with BLI and the people them like them a blood clot, that a welcome a blood clot. They take a like you, a badness like you, a criminal like you, a drunker like you. Whatever show no mercy. Andrew, we're tired of you. Look how much baby. The doctor come out and say, tough can not talk. Say, dog eat the baby. Dog eat the newborn baby them.
Yeah.
Dog eat the newborn baby them. The dog them come and enter from Drummond Street and come through the gate.
You hear that?
Jubilee Hospital gate where they on Drummond Street. And the dog them a come through the gate there. I go around to where the dead house them there. I eat all the baby them. In Tufton. In Andrew, what kind of wickedness this you do to the Jamaican people them?
You know, hear them a cry.
So the girl sister come from Andre Stevenson show come talk say our sister get pregnant. You understand me? And the baby dead, the baby unalive. And them get her cut and damage her, she can't breathe again. So our one little baby, what God bless her, we don't unalive it and then not damage her womb. Well, she can never have another baby again. And I talk about choose Jamaica. Another thing to support, you say choose Andrew.
We are choose the real Jamaica. We not choose no fake Jamaica.
Because Jamaica don't choose already.
Jamaica
don't choose already and them don't choose Mark Olin.
Oh.
So when you say choose Jamaica, you're late because the Jamaican people, them, there's no turning back. There's nothing where you can do, Andrew. Them $50,000 the way you give them $10,000, you could buy oxygen with it. Eh? You could buy oxygen with it. Put some up a children hospital down a public hospital and the rest them down a country. Eh? Them $50,000 where you have, you could buy some bed. Eh? Another thing again, not trick the young youth, them a talk about farm work ticket. Young youth, the American government, Donald Trump, not ready for no farm worker right here now. Neither the Canadian government. Donald Trump say America for build America. And we for build our Caribbean country. So I don't know when for a 4 year Donald Trump are going to do ya. 4 years. If Donald Trump are close down the farming, which part of Jamaica now come to farming?
Okay.
Stop making him trick on no go back for $1,000. All who pay $1,000. Go back for $1,000 like a expire farm work ticket them there.
And
them
look, miss, over Canada, they're closing the farm to over Canada too, you know. Over Europe and then place the farm closing, so all farm ticket like give out. I scare me thing them something to go back for the money, and look at all of my money. You, Mr. And the man done Portland so where Deriva's wife secretary. That look man there was on a frack. Take the old woman $4,000 and talk about beneficiary. What kind of beneficiary I go on done this so? I run people from the office like you are MP. You're not an MP, so you come for run people from the office. Eh? Akim. Oh, you're run from the office, Akim. You what kind of MP? You're not no MP. Eh? Deriva's wife secretary. Eh? Oh, you're run people from the office and tell the old woman $4,000. Look at me start about that now. The poor old man $4,000 and talk about benefit. What kind of benefit? Make the old man the $4,000. You pay benefit now. You pay feet now. Look at me start about that now.
Yeah, but that's a wickedness. You never tell us say. That be a criminal activity, Andrea, do you know? Be a criminal activity. Him still a rob the people them. You alive them the Jamaica Labour Party rob you. When you're dead, when you're alive, them still a rob you.
Look at me, the old woman.
We don't know nothing about the case there.
We don't know about she. We don't chat about she. We are talking about the baby them we are crying. So that's about she. She was a rash labor right too.
We don't know nothing about the case, so we can't
don't know about her. We don't know about she.
We're talking about the babies.
The babies.
The baby them.
The baby them.
The baby them we are talking about. The mother them we are crying.
When Dr. Fenton did in.
The mother them are unalive and we not hear about it in a child's birth.
All right.
When Dr. Fenton did in. When Dr. Fenton did in.
We are talking about our baby them business right now. And the Bible says, suffer the little children to come unto me. And from build them not such the kingdom of heaven. Father God, hey, Andrew, you must go down, you know. No care what you do, you know.
I feel.
You can't escape, you know. Oh.
Look at me start here.
Michelle Charles, me know say when you becomes an MP, you serve the whole Jamaica, you serve the Jamaica Labour Party supporters, and you serve the People's National Party supporters. And Michelle Charles, a woman, come at your office to help and to have an orange rag. You assault the woman. You say you're an MP. You know have nothing about you. And you go take the rag from the woman and push it up underneath her, Michelle. In Michelle Charles, woman, come at your office to some assistant because you're MP. She vote for you. You understand me? I should come at your office. And what you do? Video her, I take the orange rag, I push up on Anita. Then them Jamaican people, them the people that don't want to lead with. And them the people that they want to work for we. When I'm not integrity, nothing about them, no moral, nothing about them, no respect for themselves, nothing about them.
As a woman,
As a woman to a woman come to you and you're MP and we are pay you.
What I look at me, as a woman and you're MP and you really I do the woman that just because of colors, MP help everybody. I make Maggie G help everybody, don't specialize, but say the Africa down labor right.
Where I tell the woman say Anna Anita the orange rag for steer. Look how much baby. When Dr. Ferguson they was Minister of Health. You come out and you talk the things them and you say Portia for fire him and Portia moving from the post there. And look from when if you move Tufton. Look from when if you move the artificial doctor. We are unalive.
I would say about
baby them. We are unalive the newborn baby them. You know when you carry a child for 9 months, you feel so happy. You feel so happy. Say you want a baby and God give you a baby. At the first in the history of Jamaica, I never see so much children are born and are unalive. No accident on the other hospital. We not have no nurse, we not have no doctor. You know, so the Prime Minister bring down the country. We are talking reality. But the Prime Minister bring down the country because we not have no nurse and a doctor is a hospital.
But when I look at me, them a talk about say, boy, we over here so I bring down country and I tear down Prime Minister, and we over here so I tear down black people, and we over here so I tell lie and them something there. Listen to me, only labor right. We are called up name.
What a stinking one in them
But I was we over here so I tell lie and them something there. I talk about so we are. You hear them, Mama Sam, but we over here so I bring.
In a comment I say a lie we are
look here, let me tell you something. We no business what them want say that what them want say. We no business what them want say. We are talk we are going at the country. We are happening at the country. And the Andrew Holness government. And the Andrew Holness watch. And the Andrew Holness time. We are talk. Him said from a minister, a prime minister, now do them work. We come out and talk.
Hold them accountable.
We hold them accountable for them action.
He's a well thinking. He's a well thinking Jamaican. Some of them not thinking straight, so he's not talking to those.
You understand me? The Whitewater River. We cut up the youth them rough. And you say every youth is a star. And you say the youth them are the future. And what you do? You know, go down there, go put in policy for them. You go cut up them rough. You want to look a bad mind Prime Minister boy. You're bad mind. Beryl passed. Beryl was a category 5, not even category 4 when Beryl come here. And category 5, lick some Caribbean country. And them up and running. And I know you have school down in the country are keeping a church. And one day some church put out some people out of them building. You understand out of them church. You understand me? And you get money. You get money for help the people them. And I know. You know the not know. School still are keeping a church and you own this. You're in there for 9 years, you never build a school, you never build a hospital.
Or what is cutlass?
Use a tailor. You never start a pants from scratch yet for anything. Use a altar tailor. You go to an altar. I buy a pants and it big. I carry it come here, taking the 2 sides them for me. Porsche back, yeah, ride. Porsche achievement, nothing Andrew. The only achievement I know you have is open 28 bank book and I run taxpayer money through it.
That is
And can't tell the commissioner, oh, you get rich in 9 years. And just 7 years now, going a 8 year now, Cornwall Region Hospital, I refurbish and it can't finish. I mean, no. Say a big house, so you have up a Beverly Hills, if you don't refurbish, it won't take so long, Andrew. It won't take so long to finish.
And in big wall.
You understand me? It won't take so long to finish. Andrew, what you that tell about bitter medicine? See it here, this are the bitter medicine. This are the bitter medicine because we have a minister of security who can't fly. Him can't fly.
And him should have can't
But
fly.
no way, if you get no advice or for fight crime.
My minister of security.
I have an artificial doctor named Tufton. Tuffy. You have an artificial doctor named Tuffy. 2 years ago, come America, come buy your doctorate. You think anybody I call a blood cleat doctorate? You're a criminal Anjo. Criminal Anjo. Thief in Anjo. And them there your doctorate. By your name.
Anjo.
Thief in Anjo. Criminal Anjo. Scamming Anjo. Murderer Anjo.
Criminal, murderer, thief,
Murderer, thief,
scammer,
rapist.
Oh, scammer.
Grapist.
The grape.
You're a grapist, Andrew. You're also a grapist. You're a criminal.
All baby unalive.
You're a wicked. You call me like Hitler.
Nah, wicked.
Type F1,
You're wicked.
F1, type F1.
What's up? Napoleon.
But they are
I see you go now.
But they are burn the fire upon the pit them with them unalive. 24
Time for you go, Andrew. Time for you go.
Look at me starting, look at me start with.
I'm supposed to hear.
Start with young man.
I'm supposed to hear. I to make the newsline all over. 24 baby unalive on the Andrew watch.
Me hear it, man.
Hospital.
Afternoon, Mr. Lowe, afternoon.
What's up?
We are burning fire for your Prime Minister, you know, because you're Prime Minister, we are burning him and burning him till him have to come down. The Prime Minister is one of the wickedest things ever created in our history in Jamaica. So we are taking him down. And if we are alone up here to take him down, if my platform with Lukumis, Derval and Active Fire, Anti-Ven, and all of we are taking down Andrew.
I'm a liberate this, you know.
I'm afraid, leave him alone. We know how
Alright, mommy, like you talk, mommy, not gonna leave him alone.
Yeah.
Come, friend, come in with the liberate man, yeah. What time I want, Mr. the liberate man, yeah. You know what, too? I'm not gonna this year, you know. Welcome to the family, baga family.
But a reality we are talk. If him not see the reality, and say the Prime Minister do a good work.
Listen, look at me, and him educate him, can do understand what I want, educate him. Him educate him, do understand what I want.
Auntie don't build a school, Auntie don't believe in education, Auntie don't build a school, Auntie don't build a hospital. Don't think Andrew will build a send the young youth them to them maker.
Age make you smart.
Where you say a while ago?
Yeah, age.
Hello, listen now. Hello, you sir. Hello. I'm
Derval.
Learn. Listen, education we teach you. Reality we teach you. Age is the number. You understand? We teach you reality. Just listen and they can talk after. Look at me start.
You are here with him after a second that listen with long time. That's why I'm joining the live.
Alright, bless up, my brother.
Listen to me.
We are going for the
let's see you know.
We are going for the country. Where you say I'm going for the country?
Yeah, we is telling you say, you know, me a ban shower man, but PNP give me more catch. Me now we is telling you that.
Yeah.
But me I tell you, say, Derval, when you go talk about young and thing and certain thing, age not make you smart because a lot of big people act like Pitney, have a lot of Pitney act like big people. Tell me I'm wrong, I'm right.
True.
You're right. Brother. You're right.
Big bro, me I said here say, when me hear about the 24 thing at not Victoria Jubilee Hospital on the say that. A school challenge because my most watch by my TV. But I said here say, if that is no excuse if it's premature, because a lot of baby are premature become healthy by the treatment they give the child.
Thank you.
And I understand what I get to. I said to you say, everybody have them way of life, everybody have the way of them think. But me, I want it with me not talk bias. Once you're fucked up, you're fucked up. You understand what I say? Andrew Wallace is just a prime minister, you know. Him don't give me no catch, you know. Patrick Roberts and certain, I'm going to go back to a certain place and get catch. Because PNP is more free-handed than Labour right. Labour right is for the rich. So, the world where I live in, it's crazy. You know, my perspective is, I go where, where I call it, what ulterior motive is. Meaning that if a mama son help me for me become a star, she could have been Gleaner Observer or Moon, or she me have to say. So PNP give me a lot of catch and me a Labour right. You have to go where PNP is. Not because you say you're a shower man, you got to hide from the reality. PNP give me more catch.
I love how you talk, me general.
No, it's a type of thing when me think different thing in a life, you know. That's why everywhere in the world, Durval me go. Because me and nobody can nothing. Once there's somewhere, Durval like problem. Once me see you come, me move. Because you're not glued nowhere in earth, you know. In the law book, when we learn at high school, you have no excuse for violence. Meaning that no care if you and a man can agree. Once you move and him come somewhere again, you move again. You can't come around. But right now, I see the thing I go. Because I live in wicked, you know, yeah, man. Sufferation there, because right now you can't leave up by all two party.
Thank you, Jesus. Praise the Lord.
Yeah, right now, my type of life, I mean, I'm all cheap party and a coke, but nothing you know, because I live in wicked, I mean, I really see no way where you can get no easy catch.
Well, I'm going to cut him, brother. My brother, don't chicken back there now, don't?
Yeah, man, you can't go shop about.
Thank you.
Sunday later, you can't go shop and say 4 pound arm uncut. You uncut because it's up near to chicken price. So you not shame about it.
Yeah.
Everything we keep for you, man. But we don't know that. Hey, me tell you this. Me's a ban. Listen, me a ban shower, man. But me can't tell you, say, Labour right, no give way.
True, you're talking.
True, talk. Make him talk. And a lie.
No, you're telling. And a lie. Not scrums them left. Not even scrums on the table them left.
No, not even scrums.
Make him talk.
Not even scrums. Rough. Right now, I can't try to tell you, say, on a joke, I can't tell you, say, the man run off my block, which is D. Williams. You have to know where you're talking, which is D. Williams.
Yeah.
Him, why, a beer can make it. Beer can. I want to play domino thing over Jewsland where PR run, which is Patrick Roberts.
My brother, must something, brother. You feel comfortable calling in live or what?
No, I try to tell you, say,
yeah, man, to make you safe.
You have to understand this, you know. Bro. I know fear. I know fear.
See my talk, when I express himself, leave him not there, man. The man talk, man. Make him talk.
What I say is, I don't really, I'm not free, but you have to just understand, say, and everybody is with you, and people put things out and want to adjust it.
And then I try to tell him.
You understand what I say? But I tell you this, you have to just understand this, Durval. Say, yo, you have to go where the niceness there. You can't stay with the place a bit. Right now, if there's somewhere, I see say now where you have to come out of your comfort zone and go somewhere where it work. I don't say go.
Exactly, I'm my brother. True, my brother.
Yeah, man, see them things go. Yeah.
True, my boy. True, yeah.
Ask Mama son if me and I ever kick off. You know, I never talk over
No,
nothing in
sir.
politics because
Yeah,
me
man.
know fear style. Fear style, a style with the comrade thing. Every time she see me at that first she bring up, I'm just always ready for adjust her. No fear style already. Every time she see me at politics, every time you I talk about politics, and she start labor, that don't mean nothing to me. And one thing I can tell you, when you know somebody is different from when you don't know them. Every time I see a Durval, you talk about dog. Every time I see you talk about dog. Anytime I see you, I know dog argument I go bring up. But me know say every time you talk to Mama San, she burn out labor right. So me not stop her from burn out labor right. For you burn out a thing and it's right in the sight of me we take it disrespect. But if it wrong, never adjust it. If it wrong, all right.
Respect. Me love that. Me love that.
Make sure you know when you disrespect something, you know, talk to me on a bias man, you know.
Yeah,
when
man.
you talk to me, I'm a sister, you know, say Durval talk reality against that. No,
Yeah.
listen to you.
Yeah, my boss.
But if you talk bias, true you want that to look good. Me not listen to you. Talk what you know, don't talk what you don't know.
That is right.
Exactly. That is right. I love that. I love that, my brother. My brother, I thank you so much for coming. You talk reality and you talk with sense. You not talk like you're done. You talk with sense. I'm a big up you for that. I love that. I love that, my brother. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, my brother. Big up. Big up. Big up. Respect. No respect.
Tika see me, she's a up here.
Because
Mama,
my brother, a while ago, my brother, listen now, a while ago, the way me, a while ago, me cuss you a while ago. And Mama San save you a while ago.
Me like how you talk, my boy.
Hey, my brother, when me see a while ago, me cuss you a while ago, you know, come in and
Look at me.
You don't see it? You don't feel it?
Yeah.
Just, all right, you see what you're going to say? All right, you see what you're going to say to me, Durval?
Yeah.
Now move a muscle in me, you know. Let me tell you why now move a muscle in me. From me a youth, you know, you have to learn this. From me a youth, me can live in an alliance then because listen this, you have to understand this. You have a lot of people that know if you adjust themselves around people.
Exactly.
Meaning that anywhere me there in the world, no care how you say you're arrogant, you're bad, you're this. Me take you down easy, you know. Because of the Bible me live off, you know. So turn away wrath and harsh words, sorobanga. So when you talk to me, man, a derogatory man, and me play calm, you must stop chat.
You see you, hey.
Where is the shirt? You know you're not supposed to come on my platform. Too many about you come here naked. You don't want to see naked. Put on your shirt. Mr. Excellent. Good afternoon to you, even Mr. Excellent.
Mama San, good afternoon. May I pass through and see you? You said me I invite. But I hear you up in the car. Yeah, the mama, you know.
Me always there. I'm not going away.
You know, not
yeah, she name Mama, she Papa.
Boss man, the lady and the mama.
She the Papa. Not a full argument like her. No, watch her lie down. Not no full argument like her. But now I want to buck up on Durval.
Eh?
I want thing Mama San buck up on. She buck up on the right person like me. Because if she says something, I know how to bring it the way how me want it.
But she one thing.
Argument. Yeah, you should go on a certain way for me. Because I know if it calm her.
No, but listen about Bossy, a while ago, Bossy, me that name a fade a while ago, you know. Come in like labor right, me that cuss a Mama San save you, Mama San say, no, Durval, no. Because the ball out, because she know to me that name off her head. Me that name up here a while ago and dash away.
Why,
Mama San say, no, Durval, no.
They look like, hey, wait, they look like, it's a thing we don't do. Because everybody on a platform, when it come to the shower green, now show you something, when it come to the shower green, only not play at all. Because everybody
yeah, people.
I see you come comment like
you come people.
Yo, big bro,
come in. Hold on the law. Mr. Excellent wants to talk and then.
Yeah, man, I'm serious comment live. We love the vibes. Blood and fire comment. We have to keep the energy going, you know?
Yeah.
Mama San, we know you have ball out for the 24 picking them, you know? Don't stop balling for them, you know? Let us let the world know exactly what going on because it's
That's
a
what I did up here from England. I'm explaining to her and she understand exactly what I'm saying. See, I go Andrew understand, lick out against we. But when Andrew was like, you know, he say, why them have the Labour Party? You never realize what I'm saying, you know.
Yeah.
Because we see the vice note I'm saying out, you know. I'm self-matter against, you know. You understand? Tell me the baby I cry and say, why you want to keep in the Labour Party? And it come right back on him right now.
Yeah.
All I want to turn back on him.
The mama son go and blaze the fire. You and your team. You know?
Yeah, man.
And boy, we're marching on. We're not stop until we redeem Jamaica, you know?
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
So we have to redeem Jamaica for its people, you know?
You think say right now me there at my yard at Jamaica, money there and I'm a tree or somewhere now. I walk up and down, you there foreign down where you can go is in the yard or I'm coming, I go eat up on the corner. Yeah, so everybody have gone and people just take every time you get a shooting.
All right, man. Jamaica, at the end of the day, Jamaica is our home, no matter where we go.
Yeah.
So we have to defend we are and defend it. With
all I'm saying to our Jamaicans people, you see the money that they're going to issue out and that they start to issue out on the water tank, you take it. That's taxpayers' money. Take it. But on the day when you go to cast your children's future, the upliftment for your country, don't forget the brain is where everything connects. So you put the X right beside the X.
Hey, Daniel, I want to say something to your mama, son, and everybody on the platform. When the Prime Minister say he's giving $20,000 to people, he's giving $20,000 for now, and that's what he's giving you to buy a vote, basically.
Mama son, look at that comment.
That $20,000 for 5 years equal to $10.96 per day. Is that what the Jamaican people value? $10.96 in a one day? That is what I'm asking the Prime Minister.
What is wrong with her?
That is what I'm asking the Prime Minister. He sees the Jamaican people being valued at $10.96 per day. That's a shame and disgrace on him, man. And disrespect to the people. And you guys need to make them know.
Excellent, excellent. I'm not cut in because I'm not still among the come for burn and fire. So I say I 10 years now the man around the country and I know him start to so much thing. What my free zone him what me don't know we start him not cut ribbon. Hey Jamaican people, don't be fooled.
No, give you $1 per year, man. The man
Daniel, free some more? Free some more?
No.
West Kingston them him cut ribbon there what there. West Kingston still a ball.
Okay.
The innocent youth them down at where the 2010 incursion. Here them a tell life on PNP about this and that. We have facts. Enough youth still can't find. Hello. Don't be fooled. Crime will continue to raise under the JLP government. Our economy is growing for them. It's on a better in the
private sector.
JLP politician. Yeah, I know my friend them are listening, but we are burn a fire right now, mama son.
We no business man, we have to burn a fire, you know. No shame in
yeah, that's how they
no shame in the game when we are
burn a fire right now.
Yeah,
but mama son, me there work still. Me not stay long, you don't know. Bless up
yourself.
Fire,
mama son.
Pick up yourself, man.
Derval,
Daniel, no love, Mr. Excellent. Okay, we're there, we are burning it until
yeah, man, right, yes, man. All of my comrades, them united. We are team.
Excellent.
Yeah, man. Always remember.
a unity we are dealing still, you know. We are sure the labor right them love same way.
Yes,
Because we have labor right for no love and respect. We not ram down nobody throat. Vote, but you have a PNP we have vote for.
Yeah, man.
PNP government we are put in.
Always remember.
Yeah, man.
Lads, I always remember my son. $20,000 for 5 years is 10.96 cents per day. Remember that.
What $10 can buy?
$10.96 can buy one ice
What can buy? Can you buy a bag juice at $50, $60 for bag juice?
So that is what he's saying that they value when he buy them for $20,000. Our son, the word is love. Blood and fire come ready.
Yeah, man. Blood and fire come ready. Love and respect, my boss. Later.
Yes, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thanks for pass through.
Respect, excellent. Respect, you know. Thank you for coming, my boss. You're welcome anytime, boss. Respect. In Ghana.
Hey, my God. Hello?
Yeah, I just want to learn the election and cut again. The 3rd of September, 17 August, a nomination.
Who said that?
Yes, sir.
Kirk.
All right, Kirk.
Thank you, sir.
Kirk.
Yes.
I'm not a false news they give me no Kirk.
No, man, you know it's a full links, big man. PMP, man.
All right, my Kirk. All right, my brother. Let me say my follow you.
All right.
Everybody follow him.
One more news. So you said the 20th March 27th, April, August?
August 17 and nomination. The 3rd of September election.
Okay.
All right. Respect my boss.
All right.
Now I write down that on my calendar.
Yeah.
Now I write down that on my calendar.
Mama son, September election.
Mama son.
Yeah?
You're on the right road, you know. Kirk has what me say.
Okay. All right.
We links big man. We know about everything we are going on.
All right, my brother. Enough love and respect. You know. Thank you for announcing it over here. Welcome to the Baga platform. We appreciate you very much, Kirk. Thank you. You can pass through anytime you want, Kirk. You can tell. What you say about the baby them, Kirk? Kirk, what you say about the 24 baby right now? Andrew wanna sit here over 18 baby I cry. So Andrew wanna sit 24 we are crying now. What much of them 24 baby we are crying?
Him not go talk, you know, say him not liar, him not talk out for him something them, you know. A wicked man that man.
So all come swing for our back, but nobody know it, and then they not ask people say right they want to swing for when them here we are talk. And Field Prime Minister did a swing for Mr. Fenton Ferguson that's him have to resign. You understand? But them not for resign. Eh?
No, him not go on and resign, because him not have nobody for PS them, you know. So him not go on and resign.
Okay.
Well, thanks for the date.
All right, now go up on the live, you know, here. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Grace, what one, Grace? Grace. Look at me. Look at me, ask Grace what she do with now.
That has been offered.
Let's ready to go. Get ready.
Auntie Grace. Good evening. What is your opinion on the babies and the 24 babies that are unalive? Grace?
Miss jump out when Mama San said, look at Miss Ask Grace.
When you ready to talk?
Jump out.
Okay, all right then. Look at Miss, continue pay talk.
Contact me in one pharmacy.
Active fire, burn the fire no man.
Yeah man, straight. I'm glad we're here. While I go on the date, just hope the right date them and everything good. So I can plan my way around, you know. And ready for vote out, Andrew. Everybody get ready. Ready. Time come. He have to go. There is no stay for him. You understand? Because me can understand what kind of hole or pull over the people them eyes who are run behind him. Because I don't know them not see how much wickedness and how much corruption Andrew Holness are doing in Jamaica. See? So, at those time come man, if you go man, and then he go on a prison.
Alright. But come my sister, we said active youth, we're going my auntie, burn the fire, keep the fire burning. But come my sister, we said active, we're going.
I want to tell you and tell you the panel them, right? You see me the young when I grow up? When me the young when I grow up, my grandmother was a labourite when me that grew up, right? And my mother was a PNP and I did love my grandmother. But she said, bust a man to get her house. So she know why she a labourite, right?
Yeah.
But we grew up and we take on self now and we realize right from wrong. And we see the plan of manly and we see what manly I do. And we make our own choice and our own decision. We never forced to make it. We see the changes and the development within Jamaica.
Yeah.
And we make our own choice. So I understand that guy that will come on and did attack from a labor right point of view. When you see the truth, don't deny it.
True.
Don't deny the truth. When you see purpose, don't deny purpose. You understand? Because Andrew said the country not running right. I him say son of me. Few word me. And every aspect of life, we can talk on this evening and say that not right, that not right, that not right.
True.
And why is it in our government for so long and all of this buying, this giving a black tongue, and all the same style everybody have? Like
Yeah.
you know the people them want the things, them Audrey just come here, she start with black tongues for our workers. And the same sentiment is like them have the thing put on and say this, we're gonna spend this in an election because we know somebody we have to go buy the people them vote. It's not right. Jamaica have too much issue for we look on life that we're there.
Oh man.
Who is Andrew? This man say now surrender Jamaica to the PNP. Me don't understand Jamaica for sale.
But that's done sell out
This man say nah, him not go to hell. So me say him not go to hell, him say nah go Jamaica. Jamaica hell. Me say don't say that. Him say Jamaica gone. And that is where them take the country to. And all the development I want to do, I know Andrew do it. And investors say them things that Andrew have make highway and Andrew do this and them something in the pipeline a long time.
True.
Long time. It can't continue so. It cannot continue this way for the future. Our children will have to vote out this man, this corrupted man. And when Cliff Hughes, nasty Cliff Hughes, we'll come out and talk about Marky G. Where you see, in Marky G, that's how he is. Authentic, that is him. A leader. A leader, a true leader. The man not put on, the man not take off nothing. I saw him steer. I know Marky G father, and I know Mark and Anna, him sister. I know Sandra and him 3 kids them. We grew up together. Can't tell them my background, we grew up together.
True.
And the man you see, the man not fit in and nothing. And a lot of things Mark do and Mark don't talk when him do, because it don't make no sense. You know what you talk for, you're a boss. Mark is not a man to boss, he does the things. Because things need to be done.
That is it.
Yeah, man, so no fight the man and get the man a chance. We see what Andrew capable of doing. And him come in a power and him do it. And we see why we want him continue to do the same nonsense.
You understand?
Like so much youths. Make so much mistake, so much court case. Can't disqualify. And that trend that we want to continue on. No man, we have to make a change. But me not worried, you know. Me not worried. You know why me not worried now? I've never seen 25,000 people at one time went on the voters list. You understand me? So it must have indication why them go on it, don't it? Every election is getting more and more, but this is the biggest margin. 25,000, almost 25,000 is been added on the voters list. That's not a clear indication so people want change. Me not worry. Me just call the election. Me just want him to call the election. Just call the election. Let people get this over and done. Call it. People tired of the false promises. Call the election.
Well, and them say, comrade jungle miser. Oh, hey, boss and chocolate gone. Hey, jungle miser been off conference later.
As expected, though.
Jungle miser, bro. Dr. Comrade, may we just keep the fire burning and keep talking about the babies, them life at loss, and the mothers, them to one about them 13 mother to and comrade. May we keep the fire burning, may we burn the fire until tough time go. Tell him to take him paper and take him off of the election list because him from the election. From the election, him need to pack his bags and leave office Monday morning. Who agree with me?
Well, I agree with you, sir.
Yeah.
All agree.
You're my auntie. You're my auntie.
But good for the youth, good for the gander. Don't you make Fenton Ferguson resign? So why Tufton can't resign? In cause for Tufton, Fenton for resign. So who is Tufton?
Hey, in my time, all them done the mama piece skin, done the mama piece skin, but we say, Tufton, we are coming for you. When I stop until I resign, you're not going for the election, yeah. Watch it. Mark my word.
Too much, man. It's too much.
Me I go and play some tune and go and bless up the place and go and tap up. Jesus Christ, 42 taps come man, comrade, man, go and tap up man to 100 man. Me I go and play some tune, everybody knew.